Hi everyone, it's Clyde here, and this week's mortgage video is about simple ways to increase your borrowing capacity. So the first simple way is have a good credit score. You see, having a good credit score shows the banks and proves to the banks that you are capable of repaying your debt. If you have arrears, if you have defaults, it will all appear on your credit reports. And most lenders are not willing to lend if you have these on your file. And so you want to have a good credit score. It's extremely important when it comes to borrowing capacity. The other thing as well that you want to try and minimize on your credit report is the number of inquiries. A lot of people don't realize that every time they go out and apply for a credit card, personal loan, car loan, whatever it is, any sort of finance, it will appear on your credit report. And if you have a number of inquiries in a short period of time, it will affect your credit report. So, very, very important to have a good credit report when it comes to borrowing. So that's the first simple way, is make sure your credit report is fantastic. The second simple way to improve or increase your borrowing capacity is limit your everyday expenses or reduce your everyday expenses. You see, most lenders in the market today are really focused on everyday expenses. And a lot of clients aren't aware that every time they go out to eat, every time they buy luxury items, or anytime they go out and spend and buy lots of things, they don't realize that it's going to affect their borrowing capacity. So you want to reduce your living expenses. Most lenders require 3 months of bank statements. So what I suggest is to make sure, if you're going to apply for a loan, is to reduce your expenses for at least 3 months to show the lender that you're capable of reducing your expenses and your expenses is not greater than your income. That's very, very important. So that's the second simple way, reduce your expenses. And finally, the third simple way to increase your borrowing capacity is to save. It's obvious, I know, but a lot of people don't do it. I've sat with clients that wanting to borrow money from a bank and have no savings. And you see, most banks will require a minimum of 5% savings anyway. And so you want to show the bank that you are capable of saving, that your income is always greater than your expenses. And so open up a bank account, make sure every time you get paid, put some money aside to show that discipline and show that consistency, because that's what banks love to see, is savings. So that's my 3 tips for you to increase your borrowing capacity. 3 simple ways. Number 1 is have a good credit score. Number 2 is reduce your everyday expenses. And finally, number 3 is to save. If you have any questions, please put your comments below. And if you have any questions, if you'd like to talk to a mortgage broker, and if you want to determine what your borrowing capacity is, I'm more than happy to be able to assist in that space. And finally, remember, I'm dedicated to helping you take actionable steps today for a better financial tomorrow. See you next time. Bye.